Bro, get over here. Let me get in.
A thousand things that I never said put together inside my head.
What? What do I gotta do to get that?
I know. Absolutely. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Oh, fuck. Where are we? Are we still in the plane or did we jump?
We're just getting in the plane.
Oh, thank fuck. So I'm so late to this shit. Are you in the back of the plane or are you on one of the wings? Are you in one of those helicopters?
You should be following me. All right, you are. No, that helicopter looked cool as shit, though.
I know. Oh, wait, we're going back here?
No. We're going away from that. Oh my god damn it!
I'm in there. No, I just ran in. I'm in it now. This is how I landed in the ocean the last time, dude. I can't load this for some reason.
Did it load for you now?
It just... No, I'm in my parachute. Everything's going. One shot.
Oh, I'm down.
I can't move.
I'm respawning. I
Am I
died.
dead? Am I dead? Bro, somebody stabbed me in the wrong panties.
You're in the plane behind me. It's okay.
What the fuck was that? Alright, I'm trying to get to you. What in the ass? Wait, where are you going? Why are you going over there? So you're going to your mark.
I changed it. I wasn't gonna make it.
Right behind you.
Sweet.
Drop in.
We spawned with a gun too. Yeah. Dude, that place is just hell every time we land there. Like, I don't understand why, but
We don't have the internet, bro. We can't look at that shit. Dude, I don't even get to go to that place. It's so strong, and my phone is so shit that, like, I literally, like, I was in a parachute the whole time. and then I die, and then I end up here. Is that a honey badger? I'm gonna freak out. Oh my god, a honey badger, bro.
well, or whatever noises they make.
It comes with 87 beers.
Wow.
Breakfast beers. Timu Internet.
Did you?
More
that noise
beers.
you just made? Have you had 3 glasses of red wine and 2 Xanax? Are you the cougar?
I gave it.
What are you doing right now?
Crikey.
Are you with the cougar? Peggy?
Oh, there, sailor.
10 more.
Are you with Peggy?
Meow.
Dr.
That's next week.
Let's get
Huh?
weird.
Huh?
Mr. Jazokin.
Huh?
I found a tractor.
Huh? No way. Don't fuck with me, bro. I'm gonna freak out. What the? What was that?
What was what?
Did you just do something? What was that shit about a pants? Hey,
What?
Face me, motherfucker.
What'd you find?
What was that shit about a pan?
A pan? No, tractor.
You didn't hear that?
No, I didn't hear shit.
Wait, you didn't hear that? You didn't hear that?
No.
Oh, bro, this one comes with a bale of hay.
No, they knew we were gonna play
Holy
this map.
shit. Holy fuck. I got work to do, dog. Like, listen, I got work to do. I'm a very busy person.
Flower in the farm. Bro, it's on the forks on the front of it. Dude, that's so killer.
Oh, this thing is amazing.
No shit.
Oh, I have an idea. Oh, fuck.
How low can you go?
Almost in. Come on. Come on. Well,
Dude, I think you made a tractor base.
I did. And it only cost $12.99.
Oh, that's per year though. See this? I am king of oil drum. Whoa.
What are you doing? What's this?
Oh, there's zombies coming. Trap them in this building real quick.
What's happening?
Oh, I thought there were zombies coming. We were supposed to trap them in here for the next people to come.
Oh, yeah. Close the door. Here.
Close the door. There we go.
Alex.
That one.
Where'd you go? This door? You want to close this door first?
Yeah.
Here. You're going to have to do a shit ton of welding. You're going to have to weld. You're going to have to take this door off because somebody ran into the fucking door.
Close. Hold on. I can push it.
Forklift. Somebody ran into the door with a forklift. No, you're going to have to.
It's okay. The blood helps with the lubrication of the wheels. We'll make this happen.
Wait, she talked again. Did you hear that?
No.
Dude, some woman. What the fuck is going on?
What are you listening to?
Bro, I am not. Bro. Somebody keeps saying something.
Please recall me. That's what it is.
No, shut the fuck up. No, not that.
I heard that
Our
one.
vehicle is smoking.
I was thinking it.
I don't like this, man. I feel like somebody's following me. I keep hearing a voice, dude. Maybe I'm pushing a button.
Form up on me.
Tactical rock. Tactical rock. I love a good tactical rock. Wow, this rock is perfect. Do you want to drive it? Are you going to drive it or should we leave it stationary?
I left it in 4-wheel drive for the next riders.
The next Power Rangers?
Yeah, for the next Power Rangers.
Tactical tree. Tactical tree. I
Marked a
want to
location.
drive a tactical tree.
I want to be ninja. Damn, I can't believe we've only seen one tractor.
Man, I'm shocked. All I can do is laugh.
Oh, somebody died here. I took his shoes.
Did they die by a tractor?
Oh, there's somebody. Oh, that ghetto dead.
Hey,
Did he have friendship?
Alex,
What'd you find?
come look at me. What is this?
You might be now be
What
ninja.
the fuck is that? Bro, hey, bro. Come over here with me. This is, what the fuck was this? Come over here. How did we get into this little shop? Oh, well, god damn it. I don't need a bike. What the fuck? All right, come in here so we don't get shot up. Let me do it again. Make sure. What the fuck is this, dude? All right. Take this gun and aim with it. Why is it doing that?
Doing what?
Are you aiming? No, you're not aiming with it.
I did. It didn't do shit.
Dude, I don't even know how to explain. It aimed with like, it showed, I don't even know. Bro, why is this game acting like this? So it showed fucking,
Dropped you a bunch of bullets for
it
it.
showed like your hand is making a circle, like it's grabbing a dick and, you know,
Yeah.
jacking it off, like that kind of circle.
Yeah.
And then in, like that was a scope, and then in that circle, it showed a thumbs up.
What the fuck?
Bro, you know, that's why I'm stuck in this little shack now, but like, what the fuck was that? And how are you not seeing it?
I
All
don't
right,
know.
let me look again. Let me look again. I feel like I'm fucking crazy right now. Nah, it's still fucking doing. What the fuck?
Take a screenshot.
Oh my! Oh, you're right. Take a screenshot. You're absolutely right. All right, I'm gonna look at you and take a screenshot. This is gonna be hilarious. What in the actual fuck is this, dude? All right, so the thumb is gonna be in your face.
This is gonna be killer.
Wait, don't move, don't move, don't move. All right, it should have. Yeah, all right, take a screenshot. This is ridiculous, man. Like, there's no way I can shoot this gun with a scope.
Oh,
Like, this isn't a scope.
I'm gonna have to put it into this video at the end.
This is hilarious. When we go to the lobby next, remind me because I'm gonna send that to you. This
Oh,
is
bro, can we ride this bike together? It's a two-seater.
Oh, fuck yeah,
It's
we
a
can.
fucking two-seater. Come here.
Yes, we can. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, you got it? I never knew how to build the bike. I always collected it, but I never knew how to build it.
What the hell? It says I can't use it yet. Hold on.
Oh my god, Alex.
There we
hold
go.
on, hold
It's
on. This
working.
is even
It's
better.
working. Here it is.
Stay, look. Wait. Don't move. Wait. Don't move. Don't move. Stay right there. This is perfect. I gotta take a picture of this. Hold on. My phone's a little slow. I pushed the buttons. There we go. Okay. You're gonna fucking freak over this picture. This is amazing. All right. Oh fuck. Somebody might be over here.
Marked a location.
Maybe not, but I might have seen somebody run. All right, fuck it. Let's get on the bike. Go. Do you hear that? You didn't hear that?
What, the bell?
No, dude. A female voice just said, "I'll keep my mouth shut, I promise."
What the fuck are you listening to, dude?
Bro, the game changed. They keep saying this weird shit. I've only had 12 beers. It's not me.
Galileo, Figaro.
All right. New plan. New plan.
I want to be cowboy.
Get on the horse.
Come on, Desperado, let's go. You should go down from your fence.
Wait, hold on.
Stop tending.
Hold on, I don't have an option to drive yet.
For so long.
Hold on, come back.
Freedom. Oh, freedom. I'm riding
This horse-
horses.
This horse is not letting me drive it.
You gotta push go.
You didn't hear that? She just said, I don't want to be with a pan. You're not hearing this?
Bro. I don't know
Dude.
what you're hearing.
There's a female... Bro, there's a female voice that keeps fucking talking in my game.
Like, human or robot?
Like, please recall me voice. But she's saying different shit.
No, I'm not hearing it at all, dude.
Why are you not hearing it? It's
You're gonna have to
freaking
go
out every
into your
time it
voice
happens.
settings.
I'm a married man, bro.
Oh,
I
bro,
don't
we
need
always die
shit.
right here. Be careful. I remember.
I told you I was married.
I'm an Afghani Hindi woman. I have no asshole.
Alex, new plan, Vespa?
I found a car.
Hey, wait, Alex. Alex, come back. Come here. Okay.
I can do
So-
a wheelie.
I've been thinking about this. And it makes more sense. Hold on. There's somebody looking at us. No. It makes more sense for me to run in front of you. Because you can look at a horse's ass, motherfucker!
Ah, jump! You fucker! Stop winking at me! Wow, you can leap tall. Oh my god, your horse is flying. Like
Told you it'd be
E.T.
better
jumping
if I was
over
in
by
front
the
of you,
moon. Woo! Elliot!
Why is your horse faster than mine? Why is your horse... Wait. All right. New plan. We're gonna race. Oh, shit. We need to race before they kill us. Where are you?
Oh, we gotta go this way now. Back the way we came.
All right, hold on. Stay right there. Okay. Turn towards me. Oh, wait. This way. All right.
Go ahead.
I'll back up. Wait. Let me back up, bitch.
No,
You're in the
I'm
way.
attached. I'm
Turn
attached
more.
to you. Go. It gave me an option to follow you. I don't have to run. You're driving, bitch. I got free run. Shit.
No way.
God damn it. No, you got me stuck on the
Jump with me?
rocks. You had me stuck on the rocks. If you stop for a second. Hold on. There.
All right.
All right, I'm following you. Go ahead. I don't have to do shit. My horse follows yours.
When I jump,
Bro, I think I can shoot. I can shoot while we're doing this. My horse follows you and I shoot, bro.
this is an update. This is
Oh,
an
bro, I'm
update.
such a cowboy right now. Yeah. My horse is 100% following you.
This is good. Because I have great ideas.
Hardcore park horse? Hold on, I'm not following anymore. Damn it.
Every time I get us in a fucking bind,
Fuck,
your horse
fuck,
stops.
fuck, fuck.
Marked a location.
Oh, fuck.
Say you?
Oh no, I'm lagging. No, somebody's shooting at us. Wherever you marked.
No, I just marked the location on
I
accident.
swear to God, if that's where the shot came from, dude. I'm fucked. I'm lagging so hard I can't move. I'm fucked. Wait, hold on. If they shoot my horse, I'm back. If they shoot my fucking horse, I'm gonna go ape shit. Dude, literally where you marked, little off to the left, is where those shots are coming from. Get the fuck back. Come
He's
down
dead.
here.
He's dead.
Come here. You killed him?
Yeah.
Well, fuck. I used 63 beer. Holy shit, she's talking again.
About what this time?
She said she'll keep her mouth shut. She promises. Bro, what the fuck?
Bro, we can heal up while we're on horseback.
Hey, look. Hey, look, Alex.
Bro, we can
We're playing
heal and
Red
ride
Dead
at the same
Redemption. I knew this was a cross play. Red Dead Redemption.
Oh shit!
How do we get to play every fucking game? So we play DayZ, we play PUBG, we play Call of Duty, and now we're playing Red Dead Redemption. So why does everybody pay for these games?
Honestly, I think they're doing it wrong. Bro, there's only 16 people left. We've been riding horses this whole time.
Alex, let me follow you. Let me follow you. I need to follow you. I want to experience that.
Press the magnet
I need to
button.
drink a beer too. Is really what I mean.
Press the magnet.
Hello, horse's ass. Run, motherfucker, run!
Are you following?
Oh shit! I feel like I'm on a rope.
Is it working?
It's totally working.
Bro, we're basically in the middle.
All right, it stopped working.
Go ahead and jump off.
Okay, it stopped working.
Jump off.
Oh wait. Oh, why?
Because now is go time. We are right in the middle of the circle.
Where are you?
Next to you.
I'm getting crushed by a horse. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Whoa! It just flipped. All right, these horses are glitching my screen, dude. I can't play with these horses anymore. These horses, dude, I'm lag daddy. I'm so lagged out. I can't move my screen. I'm frozen. I have to get the fuck away from these horses, and I can't. I'm stuck. Bro, I'm stuck. I can't move my screen.
Jesus, bro.
Oh shit! I'm out. I'm moving. Holy fuck, bro. We're so dead. I think I just killed him.
I don't know yet. Squat down.
Oh, she talked again, dude. She said, "Oh no, I don't want to be with a fan." Why does that keep happening?
I don't want to be with a fan?
No, a pan. With a P.
Oh, there's somebody riding a horse down there.
Marked a
Well,
location.
don't give our location away.
I got a silencer. All I hear is zip, zip.
Sounds fucking loud to me. Sounds loud to me. How does that sound?
That was so much louder.
Oh shit, Alex, there's somebody here.
Marked a
Look.
location.
Over here.
All right.
He went somewhere over here. I just saw him run. I don't think he knows we're here, but I just saw him run. Probably this way because he was going that way. Oh, wait, this way. Oh shit! Lady shot it. Get him.
I
Get
got
him.
one dead. There are 3 shooters, so there's still 2 more people.
I know. We're in the middle. We're in the middle.
Reload your gun.
You might want to come closer to me.
Yeah, I'm close.
Well, you know me.
I don't fucking see it.
All right, bit. He's over here. Shit, won't let me move. Let me move. What the fuck? Let me mark the goddamn
Got it.
area.
Marked a location.
Dude, I'm so laggy, bro.
Marked a location.
You're good. He's dead.
I got something over there. God damn it. I'm getting shot from the other side now.
Marked a vehicle.
I got shot from over there.
Help!
Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, they ran me over.
Oh, fuck! Damn, boy!
I'm dead.